Welcome to Herbal Home Remedies. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Despite being inevitable, aging is not easy to accept. As your body becomes older, it becomes more and more obvious in your face that you are aging, especially by forming wrinkles. While not harmful, wrinkles are a major cosmetic issue for many women. At the first fear of aging, many women look to expensive cosmetics and beauty treatments to hide any signs of aging. However, these methods are not affordable and oftentimes they do not do as they advertise. There are other natural and cost-effective ways to combat aging and deep wrinkles. One specific ingredient is a spice called anise or aniseed that is very helpful in reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Anise is a completely safe, natural, and cost-effective ingredient to fight signs of aging. With our recipe, you will save both time and money and see results. What you need: a handful of anise, 1 cup of water, a small pot. What you do: start by boiling the anise seed to make some tea. After the tea cools, strain it and store in a glass container. Use the tea to wash your face in the morning, paying special attention to your fine lines and wrinkles. Continue to use each day and you should see your wrinkles and fine lines fade over the next few weeks. Your skin will be smooth and supple once more. Have you ever heard of anise? If so, have you tried this method before to reduce fine lines and wrinkles? Leave a comment in our comments section to let us know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.